Closing your eyes, imagine effort. You probably see green fields, sunshine, and free roaming animals. That's the imagine markets. So to keep your conscience clear, but what you happy before eggs love this is wanting thing to stream triumphs to heights. Today episode 14, we're going to cross the line from fantasy. In Brazil, 12,000 animals are slaughtered every minute. The true system. The true is that animals never see the sun. They live in extreme confinement system where the birds and bees can barely turn around in a cage. This stress is so great that procedures like beak and tail dog are routinely performed to prevent the from injuring themselves, often in ecstasy. Violence is not an accident. It is the system. Brazil currently resist and in every average every 13 reports every animal abused by the agricultural sector. The suffering generates dark needs DFT physical proof that extreme stress has really your plate. It's not about hate agriculture, but about the maintain that the life the sustain earth be great with dignity. Ignorate suffering, don't eliminate it from your plates. Conscious conservation require the courageous to say the truth. Episode 15 will give you the manual how you can use your power as a choice to change this reality until time.